Good morning, good morning. This is David Lundgren at the Digital Design Center. Today we're going to give you a quick overview of the Twitter Builder system within the Stage platform. As you can see, right now I'm in my account. And first of all, let me show you this. This is what separates the internal Twitter Builder system of Stage versus Twitter.com. This little pull down menu there. You can see I've got all 10 of my accounts set up right there. I can integrate and quickly switch over. In order to do that on Twitter, you got to close out, restart, close out, restart. Sometimes it gets a little confusing to your computer on the cookie department and you end up with problems. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with one of my accounts right here. And you can see on the right side, for brand new people, the advanced Twitter management system. It's only $5 a month. But what they'll do is they will go ahead and build your Twitter account for you, the company. And so you can see just a sample chart right there. So if you're brand new, I highly recommend that you do that. Okay, let's start out by looking at right here. Number of tweets. That's coming from me. Following, I'm following that number, 2,000. Followers, 3,800. It's always better to have more followers than you're following, according to the Twitter rules. And you can see all that right at the top here. Download our quick start guide. You can go in there and read all about the 2,000 count rule if you're brand new to Twitter. But let's kind of get to the good stuff. Right here on the left-hand side of Stage, we have our dashboard, grow your audience, and we're right here, Twitter Builder, social profiles, that connects all your accounts directly to the Stage platform. Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. You've got create content, my campaigns, my stages, my bio, all the image library. We'll get into that later and show you how you can set up a free account. But for right now, let's start with the Twitter Builder and what you can do with it. So, target users in your niche. Let's just say that we're going to type in realtors. Okay, no big deal. Find users. What that's doing is it's pulling up and searching for the word realtors in the Twitter profile. So you can see realtors. Now, I'll give you a little secret hint. You may be tempted to follow realtors or any high-level Twitter account like Florida Realtors. But what you really should be doing is looking right here. Show me their followers. So you don't want to click on, let's pick on Florida Realtors. I wouldn't want to follow that group. I would want to click on show me their followers, because that's going to give me anybody related to Florida Realtors. And then it's just as simple as follow. I'm not even moving my mouse. I'm just clicking my button and I can follow all those people. So no matter what industry that you're in, let's just do another one, for example. Let's just do gold. Oh, that's a good one right here. Let me switch over because I'm just building my gold Twitter account. So we're going to switch over. That's just a good learning lesson. Now I'm going to type in gold. Show me the followers who are using the word gold in the profile. So right here, these look like regular names. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit follow a few of them. And build it. So you can see I can do 100, a couple hundred, and switch over. Now, why do I have 10 accounts? Well, when you get done building one and you add a couple hundred, well, you start running into some of the Twitter rules. So I can go in here and switch over to 808 Social Biz, that's Hawaii, and it'll load those. And you can see I can quickly load and switch between accounts. Excuse me, I've been talking all day. 503 Oregon, 702 805 907 Alaska, 916 Northern California. So here's my main account right there. Gold. So that's what you can do with the users in a niche. You can also target tweets by hashtag. It's the same thing. Just put in, you can put in teacher, just for example, and hit search. So it's either using it as anybody using a hashtag or a keyword, that word in their title. And then you can just follow, follow, follow. So this right here, you can do all this for free. And it's really nice because a lot of times you don't really want to have to be switching accounts every time you do this on Twitter. So you can duplicate a user's followers, and to do that, you put it in. I already showed you that. Go ahead and track their followers. Follow your fans. Recently unfollowed you. I can click that. No one is recently unfollowed. Let me switch over to social media, and you'll see the benefit right there. Follow your fans. That means they followed me, but I haven't followed them back. So I can do that real quick. Recently unfollowed you. We went over that. Real simple. Unfollow your non-followers. That means they're not following you back, so you can unfollow them. Check your friend status, whitelist, blacklist, and every one of these has a little question mark telling you exactly what that is. So if you're brand new in the Twitter system, and you really don't have a list, always remember my motto. I've said this for 30 years. Please write it down. If you do not have a list or not building a list, you're talking to yourself. So what I would do is click on Manage Twitter, go in here, and for $5 a month, go ahead and let the company build your list. And like I've always said, if anytime you can automate a process, go ahead and do it, especially if it's cheap. $5 a month to have the company build that for you. That's the only cost that you got. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up by showing you, you can actually go to this page. I'm going to go ahead and write this down. Greatapp.biz. GREATAPP.biz. It'll point to this link. And you can see right here what we're doing with the Hour of Code, teaching kids computer science.
Hi, my name's Alice, and I work at code.org.
And I'm going to shut that down right there. And you can see all the information that we have right there. So what you want to do is any of my websites, click on the blonde girl at the top right, click on her nose. It'll actually go over to the staged account, and you can read all about it. It's all right there. But what I'd recommend you do is click on the top right banner, click, get your free account. Go down here and you can see it's zero cost, no credit card. And what you're getting for zero cost is a free stage account, which allows you to build your Twitter account using the Twitter Builder system. You can set up one Twitter account, but you'll notice it does not come with any of the stage information about campaigns, stage limits, hands-free targeted content creation, and one-click social posting. You don't get any of that. But what you could do for just a slight upgrade, you could upgrade to the intro package, which is only $9 a month. And you can actually go in there and set up 2 Twitter accounts right there. And you can also go down here and start building your stages. They allow you to do one campaign, 30 stages per month. And then you'll see the ones that I use. Yeah, and you can always start where you want. I recommend at least get started for the free or the intro if you want some more functionality. And then click on upgrade to basic. This is $49 a month. That's less than $2 a day to build your entire social marketing database. Premium account, $99, $3 a day, about 14 cents an hour. So for 14 cents an hour or 7 cents an hour, you now have the capability of building in an unlimited, for the premium account, the premium functionality is you have unlimited campaigns, up to 1,000 videos a month done for you on complete autopilot. You have hands-free targeted content creation. What that means is 1,000 videos a month divided by 30, 33 a day, one every 45 minutes. And you have the button there, one-click social post scheduling. So let me put it another way. If you were to hire a digital assistant to do all this work, and I want you to pay them 12 bucks an hour, times 8 hours, 96 bucks a day, you can see the difference between the basic, which is less than $2 a day, and a premium is about $3 a day. But what's the difference? The difference is $1 a day to have this all automatically done for you. So you just go to greatapp.biz, greatapp.biz, click on the blonde girl's nose, click on get your free account, make a big decision, free or $9 at least, and then obviously you can upgrade. So this has been David Lundgren. I'm going to go back and leave you with just showing you what we're doing here with the hour of code. It's only a couple minutes, but it's pretty fun working with kids and programming where they don't even know. This is their first exposure, to programming. So anyway, David Lundgren at the Digital Design Center. Hope you have a great day.
Hi, my name's Alice, and I work at code.org. Today, we're calling on students from all over the world to learn 1 hour of code. We need your help to make it happen. Participating in the Hour of Code means doing a 1 hour computer science activity. It's for all learners, all ages, and is available in over 30 languages. No previous experience is required, and activities are self-guided, empowering students to learn at their own pace. Students have already done over 100 million hours of code during Computer Science Education Week, and you can join the movement this December. This matters because the number of open computing jobs are growing a lot faster than students entering the field. And these are great jobs. Every young person should have the opportunity to learn these foundational skills, no matter what field they end up pursuing. Now, let's talk about how to host an hour of code itself. Step 1, plan where you will do your hour of code. You can offer the hour of code on any device, including tablets, PCs, Macs, smartphones. Students can also take turns in your classroom using a shared computer, or try a tutorial together on the board. There are even unplugged tutorials that can be completed without any computers at all. Unplugged options can be done anywhere, even outdoors. These activities are especially fun for groups and really illustrate the point that computational thinking isn't just about computers. Once you've planned where you'll be doing it, it's time for step 2, picking a tutorial. We have over 20 different 1 hour tutorials to choose from, each introducing computer science in its own way, for all students from K through 12 and all learners of any age. For example, there's a tutorial that teaches you how to create an interactive card using the programming environment Scratch. Another one from Khan Academy teaches the basics of JavaScript, a popular programming language. Code.org offers tutorials that introduce computer science principles through fun puzzles and art, featuring characters students love, like Angry Bird, Ice Age, Flappy Bird, Anna and Elsa from Frozen, and more. Check out the options and choose the best fit for your students. We encourage you to try your selected tutorial yourself before your class does it, so you can answer questions that might come up. And now you're ready to go to step 3, coding. It's time for your students to do the hour of code themselves. Have them visit code.org/learn and choose the tutorial you picked out. Students who finish early can try a different, perhaps more advanced tutorial, or help others. If you're doing an unplugged tutorial, pass out the materials and explain the rules. That's it. As you can see, hosting an hour of code to your students requires minimal prep and no prior experience.